have detected an alien biorhythm on this ship. And just as I suspected, the aliens uploaded a virus, which is slowly
Officer
deleting
Peggy,
my
I'm
program.
out. She's gonna vote me out immediately.
What? It's true. He's the imposter.
Here we go. Just so
And you're
everyone
orange.
knows,
Two of you are
I'm not an
secretly
alien.
aliens. Please look at your device and confirm your identity. Your device can tell you if you're a human or an alien, but not the identities of your fellow players.
Oh no!
If you refresh your browser, it should.
So you'll be at a bit of
Or
a
resubmit your name.
humans.
Resubmit with the same name. It should be all right.
Oh, okay.
Go, go, yo, go, 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 yo, go.
Go, go, yoga,
Go, go, go.
Cool, cool,
By my
cool,
calculations,
cool,
you will
cool.
have 15 minutes before I cease to be. So I'd appreciate it if you could figure out who the aliens are and then push the button.
Always.
It should really be hold the button.
You will be our first captain.
You know.
Choose an available
Me?
room and your desired participants.
No, not me.
No, goat yoga.
Oh, how do I do it?
Choose one of those, either writing pod or opinion hold.
Alright, and remember, the aliens got 4 hacks. So they can mess with us.
What are we supposed to do?
You're gonna answer questions.
By the way, all of this is distract.
Oh, just
You
3
have been
people are getting
selected to
tested?
give your opinion.
All at once, yeah.
Answer the question on your device. Humans received the following prompt. I could lift a Toyota Prius over my head pretty easily.
I don't think so.
Now let's see the
But
results.
if it was a Kia Sorento, you bet.
Do any
Oh.
of these answers seem suspicious?
Cam?
Look at me. Do you doubt that I can't pick up a fucking Toyota Prius if I want to?
Push the button?
No. So only push the button once we know for a fact who it is.
What?
We don't know for a fact it's Cam, but we're pretty sure it's Cam.
This is some bullshit
Why
right
did I
here.
get an alien?
What do we do?
So
We're
right
on the
now we're
clock
just
here,
sort of
people, so
interrogating
let's keep it
people,
going.
and the only one that needs interrogating is Dan. So
Would seem
I think you're full of shit.
pretty alien thing to say.
agreed.
Next captain, please.
Uh-oh. Here
Okay,
he
let's get
goes.
a move on.
Uh-oh.
Pick another room and test group. There's less than 40
Ready for a
minutes.
probing.
Riggy.
Riggy, can't you see?
Writing test initiated. Write an answer to the prompt on your device. And the human prompt was, I hate having to shop for. Anything odd?
Riggy,
That's
That's-
interesting.
hella suspicious.
Oh, there you
Yeah.
go.
That would be like. That seems like a catch-all answer for any prompt.
Yep.
Well,
Seems like
normally in this scenario, I would lie and say that even if I would say that I had a different prompt, or that I had
We're on the clock here, people.
that had
so
that
let's
prompt,
keep it going.
I would spin a story. But I think what happened was Cam hacked me, and I got a different question because Cam put me in here.
Yeah, that's
So-
clearly.
My question was not I hate having to shop for something.
What was your question?
It was I find it intimidating to shop for something you know nothing about,
New captain.
which is a reasonable answer for that.
Could be true.
But I think
Wait, are
Cam
we playing
hacked
with
me.
Tutorials on, because if we're playing with tutorials on, then the hacks don't show
We-
up. until
we don't have tutorials on.
Okay.
Also, what's the button for?
You hold the button when you know who the 2 aliens are.
Oh, you have to know both of them.
Yep.
You have entered the drawing quarters. Draw the prompt on your device.
I love this elevator music.
Yeah, it's good.
Bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, 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 ba, bum, ba, bum.
Oh gosh, I really biffed this one.
You biffed it?
I did.
The alien.
Ba, bum, ba, bum, bum.
What is this? Back to the Future?
If they're taking too
Oh,
long to
I
draw, the
submitted
hurry
it.
up
I had a
button
good
can
thing to
help pick
add
up
to
the
it.
pace.
I didn't know you can. Come on, get out of the way.
Oh my goodness, that thing's going so quick.
Somebody hurried it up.
All right, now take your answer and put it
Shove it up here.
The
in a
prompt
glass
of
human
water.
saw was
Photon torpedo tube.
draw a bowl of your favorite cereal.
Okay.
What do we think?
And Rations, that's straight up Lucky Charms.
Yeah, that's pretty
I
good.
respect that.
Nice.
I think Cam's is soup.
I don't know.
What is yours?
Mine's
pray
frosted. Mine's
Yours-
frosted mini wheats, but that's why I pulled one out to kind of show that it was frosted mini wheats.
That's why you
Yeah,
have
it
to
looks
do
like
it
a
from above.
Pop-Tart
If I did that from
and
the
a-
side, it'd just be squiggly lines.
It
But
does
you have
look
to,
a
like,
We're on
bit
the
like a
clock here,
Pop
people,
Tart.
so let's keep it going.
I-
I don't-
Why are you hurrying it up? What do you gotta? What's up, Cody?
No, I hurry everyone up because we can test more people if we hurry it up.
Yeah.
It's better. The
Aliens
hurry
usually
button is
want
for
to drag things
non-aliens.
out.
And the title of Captain
Aliens
has
want you to
been
run out of
Cap.
time. Oh, it's me.
What's a bioscanner? Does it tell you?
It says, here's the alien.
Basically, you have to communicate a series of glyphs to each other.
Oh, that
It's
one.
very difficult. Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the difference between deliberation deck and opinion hold?
Opinion hold, you get to do the strongly agree, slightly agree,
See that
etc., etc. The
constellation?
deliberation
That's
deck
called Zeus's
is
butt. Or maybe
less
Orion. I don't
like they give you multiple choice. I think. I don't remember.
Okay, let's do that one.
Boom.
And then let's do.
Our first visit to the deliberation deck. Answer the question on your device.
The answer is none of your business.
You ever notice how... And here's what humans saw. A group of trick-or-treating kids shows
Oh,
up when you
who
just
hacked
run out
me?
of candy.
I
You
was
then,
hacked.
and go.
You're treating show off, but you have just run out of candy. Order something online. Wait, cry and beg for forgiveness actually might be the right answer that Goat Yoga would give. So I trust you on that.
Yeah, really.
Yeah.
But Cam said he was hacked.
I was definitely hacked.
No, but Cam said it.
Aliens
No.
can
We're
hack
on the clock
each
here,
other?
people, so let's keep
Yeah,
it going.
aliens can hack you. Like, god damn it.
They can hack people to either give someone the alien prompt or give an alien the human prompt.
Correct.
I'ma just.
But they
And I
only
got
have
the
four,
alien
so they can
prompt,
only have one
apparently.
time.
I think we've figured out one, but John, you're a little suspicious, but not entirely.
Well, remember I got the other one right, so.
That's true.
Is the
But
glitching
so
getting
did
worse?
Cam.
I feel like it's getting worse. Next, Captain, you're on the clock.
Oh, it's me.
Wait, how have I've not been captain. How does this happen?
Let's do
It's
it.
random.
It goes to everyone. It goes to everyone.
Doesn't like you.
Oh, he chose a hard ass one.
Do you not want me to do it? I don't have to do it.
It's too late.
No, I can back out.
Just do it.
I'll do it. I'm gonna do it. I toss these two
I don't
already.
even know how this one
This
determines
is
whether you're an
the
alien.
bioscanner. I hope you've chosen a team you can trust.
I chose
Captain,
a
I'm sending you
trusting
the
team.
correct
All right.
glyphs now.
It's the first one, guys, is a person. They're slipping and they're falling to the right side of your screen. Do you see
Is their
him?
head on the right?
Yes, their head and their body are all moving to the right. Their legs are up in the air on the left side of the screen.
Okay. Got one.
You got that? You got
Left
that?
arm on the ground.
Yep, left arm on the ground if he's facing you.
Yeah.
All right, the next one is it's like two balls on the right and then three like hooked claws coming towards the ground. Sorry, the heads are on the left. I don't know if I said the right or the left.
Okay.
Got that one? Okay. And the last one is double rainbow with a nipple on the top, a ball in the middle on the bottom, and then a little hook on the right side.
That's
Okay.
impressive.
Giveaway.
You got that, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna lock it in. Who do we want to see? Who they are.
Analysis is online.
I'm pretty confident Cam's the alien, so I don't think we need to see him, but who do we want to see?
I say John.
John?
You may share this information, if you want, or keep.
I think you're the alien.
Think I'm the alien or John's the
How
alien?
this one works? I think it's because I never actually
Relocating data.
had people get it right.
I'm
Wait,
not gonna
why
lie.
is it-
It was fun watching all
Oh,
of
here
you
we
act
go.
stupid.
Creme is human.
I
Indeed.
feel like it's gotta be Cody and Cam?
I think it's Cody.
We're on the clock here, people, so let's.
Think it's me?
Yeah.
Why would I have lied about John? Why wouldn't I just pin it on John? John is suspicious.
The bioscanner
There's
is now
too many
offline.
mind games going
The rest
on
of
in
the
this one.
investigation is up to next captain.
Finally. I guess this one? Alright.
The captain would like to ponder some more.
What? I do?
Keep an eye out for questionable positions.
I'm confused.
It's an easy question.
And the prompt for humans was... A lady asks you to watch her invisible gorilla while she uses the restroom. You then...
Walk away.
No,
Do
you
any of these
stay.
answers seem
Yeah.
suspicious?
You agree and you stay.
I've been hacked.
Honestly, all of these, like,
I was hacked.
Wait, why would you
clear
agree
answers
and
to this,
leave?
This is like one of those, like, philosophy, like,
Oh no, seriously, I would agree and stay. That's
No, I'd be
cruel. That's
that
cruel
shit.
if you're
I'm
like
getting the
yes and then you
hell out
walk
of there.
away. That's mean.
Well, I'm a mean guy. I mean, that's me.
We're on the clock here, people, so let's keep it going.
Lauren, why'd you put
She
refuse?
said she got hacked.
Or she ran out of hacks.
No, I was asked that somebody's gonna ask you a question and this is what you have to respond, but it didn't say the lady in the gorilla.
Okay, some last-minute heroics would be nice. Next captain, go, go, go!
I don't know.
If we
I
don't
think
push
all
the button, do we
balance.
lose?
Yes, if we don't pick the right people or we fail to push the button, we lose.
Okay. 2 minutes.
Should I do
that's falling down.
Cam and Reggie? He's been tested 4 times. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna
I don't think we need to test Cam anymore. We know it's Cam.
Welcome to the extraction room. Since you were the one to push the button, whom will we isolate? Since this is our first time here, you have
There's
2
a fucking
minutes to-
surprise.
Whoa!
What?
I vouched
Now
for you,
the
John.
non-designated member shall vote. Okay, time to vote.
John is not talking
The vote
anymore.
has
He's
to
just
be unanimous.
cutting.
If anyone votes
Wow.
no, we'll have to go back to the main cast.
Playing a hunch, Riggy. Sorry,
The
man.
vote has failed.
Oh. People don't believe.
All you can do is
Okay.
keep testing until you can all agree. Okay, next captain, you're in charge. There's less than 2.
Oh.
Another chance
Oh, wait.
to save the day. Boom, will you
How do I
isolate?
put people in there?
You only
Oh, there we
get
go.
1 minute,
Yeah, there you
so
go.
act quickly.
If it's not Cam,
Oh, there's a
it's
surprise.
no way it's not Cam.
I agree with
Okay,
that.
time to vote.
I think Lauren's a possibility.
I think we're gonna run out of time.
Well,
Otherwise,
then we might as well choose now, right?
yeah, yeah. Ship them. Ship them out to space.
Bastards.
Wow.
Cam, you were an excellent partner, Cam. You were amazing. You were so good.
I voted. Oh, you.
Dude, I saw your ass for what it was.
Cam is so good. He was hacking to save me the entire time. He was like, "Oh, I gotta." Oh.
Oh, the very first one, since I was pinned, I'm like, well, fuck it, I may as well, you know,
Yes.
make sure Riggy is not.
Thank you.
This was some bull crap.
Hey, y'all, I gave you the answer. You just didn't go with it.
After I vouched for you, John.
handwrite it.